welcome to our mobile video on creating a single day schedule from scratch. Using the eSpatial mobile app, it is possible to generate a new route from scratch. You do not need to generate from your desktop first. To start creating your new route from scratch, select a date from your calendar view and select Create New Route for X date to begin creating your route. You will then be prompted to select the PIN dataset you wish to use to select your stops. Choose your preferred dataset and then select Continue with the selected dataset. eSpatial will automatically zoom to your current location. You can let eSpatial automatically select stops in your area, or you can handpick the stops you want to make from the list view or map view. Once you have selected all of your stops, select Schedule Day and eSpatial will create an optimized route for your stops. Thank you for watching our mobile video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@espatial.com or by selecting the chat button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen.